And if it's your first time watching our videos, please like. Here is the supply manual. So first, we will want to get the long line and just cut it with a scissor. If you guys know crochet, you can do this. I only know chains, but I don't know how to do this something else than chains. Oh guys, it's so small. Let's go again. You got it. Let's start. Di pa, aga pa. So guys, I'm back. My father just gave me my lunch money, of course. We live in the Philippines, so we have no idea how school in here. But if you are Filipino, you might. And if you are in the Philippines and you school at the Philippines, you also might. Not every school is just private, beautiful. Our school, hey, it's like, just kidding. It's not dumb or anything, but I just don't like it there. Yeah, I have tons of friends, but my classroom is also messy. My teacher always says we're the loudest one in grade 3. So yeah, it's a short video sa uwi. Ito na guys, done na. Patanggalin ko lang ha. Papa! It's done. I'm just gonna wear it. Here is it guys. Ito na siya guys. Ganda.